Hello everyone, my name is Mohit Kumar from group 317. Today my topic is evolution of life. How human evolved from how first origin life originated. So my topic is all about origin of life from primordial puddle to modern day. Here are how human evolved from the first life. We can see through a animation video. First prokaryotes originated around 4,100 million years of ago. There is the origin of life. How life originated. 3,000 million years ago, the origin of life started. 2,125 million years ago, there is origin of prokaryotes. We can see the flagella, single flagella of prokaryotes. 1925 million years ago, there is the origin of cyanobacteria, which is bluish in color. 1,500 million years ago, there is the origin of eukaryotes. Eukaryotes are multicellular, whereas prokaryotes are unicellular. 800 million years ago, there is the origin of cyanoflagellates, which is a subdivision of eukaryotes. We can see the flagella in eukaryotes. 550 million years ago, there is the origin of platyhelminthes, which is a type of parasite, which is also known as flatworm. And there is also origin of Pichia, which is also flatworm. Pichia, which is a part of nematodes. 525 million years ago, there is the origin of Hycoiothics, which is a part of Ascalhelminthes, which is a parasites. 525 million years ago, there is the origin of Agantha. Agantha is also parasites. We can see unicellular eukaryotes to prokaryotes, prokaryotes to eukaryotes to Ascalhelminthes and platyhelminthes. 460 million years ago, the origin of platyhelminthes. Also 430 million years ago, there is the origin of cephalosis. Now we turn to the fishes. How parasites, then first prokaryotes, then eukaryotes, then parasite, then fishes. 420 million years ago, there is the origin of coelacanth, which is also fishes. This is called bony fishes. 415 million years ago, there is the origin of Pandrochith, which is a subclass of fishes. 375 million years ago, there is an origin of fish called Tiktaalik. Tiktaalik will belong to Osteochorosis fish classes. 365 million years ago, the origin of Aganthostoma. Now fish turn to the reptile. 360 million years ago, the origin of Ichthyostega. Ichthyostega is mid between the reptile and the fishes class Chondrothic and Osteothics. 360 million years ago, there is the origin of Hynerpeton, which look like a crocodile. It is also ancestor of crocodiles. 350 million years ago, there is the origin of Tulperpeton. Now we see the animal goes water to land. 338 million years ago, there is the origin of Vestolinthina. Vestolintha goes to the land. Soil is the main origin. 300 million years ago, there is the origin of Hylomos. Now they goes to the trees. 256 million years ago, there is the origin of Phthanosus. We can see Phthanosus. 220 million years ago, there is the origin of Cynoganthus, which look like a dinosaur, because Cynoganthus is the dinosaur is the ancestor of Cynoganthus. 220 million years ago, there is the origin of Rapinomamus. 160 million years ago, there is the origin of Juramia. And 100 million years ago, there is the origin of Platypus, and 85 million years ago, there is a Platypus. So we can see how prokaryote to eukaryote to parasite to fishes to reptile to mammals, they shifted to mammals. 65 million years ago, there is the origin of Carpotolus, which is ancestor of monkeys. 30 million years ago, there is the origin of Agathopicus. The origin of Agathopicus. 25 5 million years ago, there is a origin of Proconsul. There is a origin of Proconsul. Proconsul. 15 million years ago, there is a origin of Shiva Pithecus. Shiva Pithecus. It look like a monkey. And there's a origin of Orenopithecus. Orenopithecus 13 million years ago around. Now they shifted to mammals. This video is about how prokaryote to shift to mammals, the origin of life from prokaryotes. Then the origin of Orion 6 million years ago, Arthipithecus, the origin about 5 million years ago, Australopithecus 4 million years ago, and then is a Netherlands also comes, and Homo erectus 3 million or 2 million years ago, origin of Homo erectus, and Neanderthal origin of 0 million years ago, and now turn of Homo sapiens.